Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add a verified bot on Discord. So to do this, first we need to open up a browser. So I'm going to choose Chrome here. And then we will search for security bots Discord. After searching, you'll find this site called securitybot.gg. Click it open. So once the website is opened, we will select the option that says add security bot. This will lead us to a page asking us to redirect to Discord. So we'll click on continue to Discord. So in Discord, the security bot will ask access to your Discord account. So to give it access, first of all, we need to choose a server. So I'm going to choose this server. And then after choosing a server, we'll click on continue. After that, a new window will appear asking for permissions for the security bot. So you need to click on authorize. Finally, you need to confirm you're a human, so click on I am a human. And there it is. A verified bot has been added to your server. So this is how you add a verified bot on your Discord server. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.